with the relaxation in lockdown norms, we now have new challenges. Firstly, many people are getting under the impression that they no longer need restrictions. That because lockdown is being relaxed, that possibly they can take liberties in terms of social distancing. There are 3 or 4 errors that we are noticing. First is that people are unable to understand that you wear a mask to protect others and others wear a mask to protect you. It's a kind of respect that you show for others, concern that you show for others. It's a social responsibility issue. Many people are still not wearing masks or avoiding to wear masks. There's a second problem that is coming up. When you wear a mask or cover, you have to cover your nose and mouth. Many are wearing masks where their nose is exposed, and there are still others who wear a mask but both their nose and mouth are exposed. That is a big problem. The third seems to be that people are under the impression that they should maintain social distance only when they meet or interact with strangers, people they do not know. But when they are interacting with their own friends, colleagues at workplace, they are not following social distancing norms. Now, social distancing norms is important whether you interact with your friends or even your family, except for intimate members of your family with whom possibly social distance cannot be maintained. For everyone else, one should be very, very careful. That's not happening. So we find that yes, police can be outside on the street, make people aware or even enforce. But we cannot be everywhere. We cannot be inside every person's house. So this has to be a kind of change in behavior. Some people are saying that they are feeling claustrophobic when they wear a mask. But it just requires 2 to 3 days of practice or habit for formation. We have to change our habit. We have to make it a habit to wear masks. So that is becoming another serious problem. People are not changing their behavioral behaviors. They are not modifying their behaviors, and they are causing difficulties, risks to others. The last error that we find frequently happening is, whereas people are wearing masks when they are outside, they are not wearing masks when they are in a confined space, like inside their house, inside a room, inside an office room, inside a car, inside a bus, inside a train. Please remember that you are at greater risk because there is no wind flow inside. If a virus is in the air, it is floating around in a confined space. So it is very, very important that when you are in a confined space like a car, like a bus, like a house, you must wear a mask. So I think partly people are not aware, partly they are being reckless. We are trying to enforce the law, but we cannot be in every house, we cannot be in every car, we cannot be at every place. So we request everyone to follow these social distancing norms for at least the next few months, so that all of us don't take ill at the same time, or not in a very large number, where our hospital system will be overwhelmed. Yes, so normally social distancing is 6 feet. But when social distancing cannot be maintained, then greater risks exist. And these risks can be mitigated or reduced by wearing a mask, everyone wearing a mask, by making sure that you wear gloves, you sanitize your hand every 10-15 minutes or 1 hour, so that you are not getting infected. Also, in those confined spaces like a flight, you are not expected to use the washroom. So there are usual steps that you can take, and after such a travel, anyway the travel should be for essential purposes, and after such travel you have to carefully isolate yourself, not infect anyone for the next 7 to 10 days, and if after 7 days you go for a test and it is negative, it's a different matter. but you have to take a lot of precautions. It is possible to travel, facilities are now available, but it must be used with a lot of care. Yes, lockdown 5 norms will be announced any moment now, maybe in the next couple of days. So as we open up the economy around the world, the experience is that with the opening of the economy, there is a rise in reporting of positive cases. So we have to ensure that as we open up the economy, because the economy has to be opened, we have to see how this epidemic shapes, what is the progress that we make, whether there is a sudden spike and you feel that your hospital system cannot cope. So it's very, very important that what happens when we have lockdown, so therefore we have kept the epidemic under control. Once we open up, we can still keep it under control. People behave responsibly, and social distancing norms can be followed.